Imagine having access to millions of songs, podcasts, and other audio content all in one place, available whenever and wherever you need it. Whether you are driving to work, studying for an exam, exercising, or just relaxing at home, having the right music streaming service can make everyday activities more enjoyable. With so many different streaming services available today, choosing one can be difficult. However, Spotify stands out as one of the best options because of its large variety of content, personalized listening experience, and everyday convenience. The first reason Spotify stands out among music streaming services is its large variety of content. No matter what type of music someone enjoys, there is a good chance Spotify has something available. From popular artists and new releases, to older songs in different genres, Spotify gives listeners plenty of options. Spotify is also more than just a music platform. It includes thousands of podcasts covering topics such as entertainment, education, sports, news, and many other interests. This allows users to use one application for multiple types of audio content instead of needing different services for different forms of entertainment. According to an article by Frank Raccioppi from Forbes, Spotify has continued expanding its audio library by adding around 650 narrated magazine articles from publications such as The Atlantic, Rolling Stone, and Vogue. This shows that Spotify is continuing to grow beyond traditional music and provides users with even more types of content. Spotify has also introduced features that helps users feel more confident about the content and the artists that they interact with. An article from the BBC titled "Spotify Adds a Verified Badge to Distinguish Human Artists from AI" explains that Spotify has introduced a verified badge system to help distinguish human artists from the AI-generated music. As AI-generated content continues increasing, this feature helps listeners better understand just who they are supporting. The second reason Spotify stands out is because of its personalized listening experience. One challenge with having millions of songs available is knowing what to listen to. Spotify helps solve this problem by using a person's listening habits to recommend music that they might enjoy. According to a publication found on ResearchGate, one of Spotify's main strengths is in its advanced recommendation algorithm, which helps provide users with music recommendations already based on their listening preferences. For example, Spotify creates personal playlists based on the types of songs and artists a user listens to. These playlists can introduce people to new artists and songs that match their interests, instead of spending a long time searching for something to play. According to Stifel's Spotify Initiation of Coverage report, Spotify recommended over 30% of overall listening in 2017, which increased from less than 20% in 2015. Now, this shows how Spotify's recommendation system has continued improving and creating a more personalized listening experience for its users. Spotify also makes discovering new music easier through features that suggest songs based on previous listening. An article from Technology and Operations Management MBA Students' Perspective provides a simple example on how Spotify's recommendation system works. So imagine a playlist with songs P, Q, R, and S. If a user enjoys that playlist, Spotify may recommend another playlist containing songs Q, R, S, and T. By doing this, users discover new music that they are likely to enjoy, which also helps more songs reach new listeners. This creates a more customized experience because each person's Spotify account becomes different based on their listening preferences. Another example of Spotify's ability to keep users engaged is through one of its most recognizable features, Spotify Wrapped. An article published through Taylor and Francis Online found that Spotify experienced a 30% increase in monthly listeners during the fourth quarter of 2022. One factor that contributed to this growth was the popularity of features like Spotify Wrapped, which allows users to see personalized summaries of their listening habits and share music experiences with their friends. The third reason Spotify is a strong choice is because of its convenience. People listen to music in many different situations throughout their day, and Spotify is designed to make that process simple. The app can be used on smartphones, computers, it can be used on tablets, smart TVs, and many other devices. This allows users to easily switch between different ways of listening. Spotify is also simple to use. The layout makes it easy to search for songs, create playlists, follow artists, and organize favorite content. Users can also download music for offline listening with premium subscription, allowing them to enjoy their favorite songs even without an internet connection. Spotify also provides additional value for eligible students through its premium student plan. According to the official Spotify website, students can verify their school eligibility, log in with their school credentials, and then receive access to premium features. Today we discussed 3 reasons why Spotify is one of the best choices for a music streaming service. First, Spotify offers a large variety of content. Second, Spotify provides a personalized listening experience. And finally, Spotify offers everyday convenience. If you are looking for a simple way to enjoy music, discover new artists, and have entertainment available wherever you go, Spotify is the service for you.